I'm David Zimney, and this is the Beecore flight controller that I just received from Banggood 2 days ago. It's the latest FlySky version, and you can see the SKU from Banggood on the box here. I went ahead and soldered on the battery connector, since the binding instructions said I would need a battery. And I hooked up some motors for testing with. So I'm going to put this in my helping hand so it can be held level. And I'm going to go ahead and this is my transmitter, which I received with my ready to fly Eachine Assassin 180, and it's worked just fine with that. I went ahead and already did the binding procedure with this board, and according to the green LED, everything worked fine. So I'll go ahead and show you the settings in my transmitter. Oh, hold on. I'll hold these in. Okay. I set up a second model for this flight controller. And in system, I went into RX setup, made sure AFHDS 2A was turned on. Then, let's see, into the function setup, set up the aux channels. So channel 5 is this switch right here, switch B. Channel 6 is switch C over here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the battery in this and connect it up to my transmitter. Okay, so it's on. The green LED is slowly flashing, meaning it's not connected. So now I turn on the transmitter, and the green LED stays on, indicating that it is connected. But if I flip the arm switch, nothing happens. And according to the instructions, the blue LED should come on when I do that. Let's see, down and to the right with the stick. Doesn't arm it. And of course it doesn't respond at all. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like in beta flight. So this is the included micro USB cable hooked directly up to my laptop here. Okay. On. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now I'll connect the Betaflight configurator first. Alright. Go to the CLI and see what version of firmware I'm running. And it's 3.1.0. Alright, let's see. And it does this from time to time, just randomly disconnects. So I'll reconnect. Okay, and the ports, they're set up just like the instruction manual says they should be. Configuration is it's pretty much what it should be. It's 1 kilohertz bid loop frequency, and motor PWM speed are just bound together, or PWM and PID speed. 4 kilohertz gyro. Alright, and my modes, ARM is tied to the aux1 switch here. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on my transmitter, and you can see what happens to the LED on the board. Alright, that goes solid. But, let's see. Still no response. When I flip these switches, I should see in the Betaflight screen, I should see the position of these switches being indicated, and there's nothing. So I'll go to my receiver screen, and you can see all the settings are like it says they should be in the manual, but I get no response at all from it. And you can go to the Motors tab. Oh yeah, here, make sure this is on screen when I show you. There's no response from my transmitter. Nothing. Okay, now go to the Motors tab. And, well, it's interesting, this isn't working now either. Maybe it needs a battery for that. I'll plug this thing in. Now it's not fully charged, so I shouldn't have to worry about overcharging it through USB. So I'll plug this in. Okay, and now I can spin up the motors using Betaflight, but still can't get any response out of them with my transmitter. And go back to the receiver page just to verify that's still not receiving anything.